Mix this one ingredient with milk at night, and you may notice stronger, more reliable performance by morning. No pills, no gimmicks, just simple science from your kitchen. Why milk works. Warm milk at night has been used for centuries to calm the nervous system and support deep sleep. And deep sleep is when testosterone peaks. That means milk is already the perfect base for restoring manhood, if you add the right ingredient. Ingredient 1. Ashwagandha herb. Ashwagandha lowers stress hormones, frees testosterone, and restores energy. Half a teaspoon in warm milk before bed helps you sleep deeper, recover faster, and wake up with stronger mornings. Ingredient 2. Saffron sparkles. Just a pinch of saffron threads calms the mind, reduces anxiety, and boosts blood flow. It turns your milk golden, soothing tension and reigniting passion naturally. Ingredient 3. Turmeric plus black pepper orange heart. Turmeric fights hidden inflammation, protecting your blood vessels and prostate. Add half a teaspoon with a pinch of black pepper to unlock its full power. This combo supports circulation and long-term vitality. Ingredient 4. Maca root seedling. Maca root boosts stamina and energy without overstimulating hormones. 1 teaspoon in warm milk adds a nutty flavor and a natural lift in mood, drive, and endurance. How to use safely. Start with one ingredient. Use it consistently for at least 3 weeks before switching or rotating. Stick to small amounts, because with natural remedies, consistency matters more than high doses. When to drink it. Drink your milk mixture 30 to 60 minutes before bed. This timing supports deeper sleep, stronger testosterone release, and better blood flow by morning. Men over 50, your kitchen holds more power than you think. Ashwagandha, saffron, turmeric with pepper, or maca root. Each one helps in its own way, but all lead to stronger mornings and renewed confidence. I'm Dr. Zoe Hartley. Try adding one of these ingredients to milk tonight, stay consistent for 3 weeks, and see the change for yourself. And if you found this helpful, subscribe for more natural, science-backed men's health advice.